Good morning students. Now we will learn how to run a spelling and grammar check. There is another way to check a spelling and grammar after completing your text. Now you can see here. Again another way is you have to click on Review tab and then you will get here spelling and grammar option. In a spelling and grammar option, if you will click here, you will get here Purva is in red color, and suggestion you will get this Purva name is not there in this list. Okay, the error will be marked in a color I explained earlier, red color, and you will get here Purva is in red. In a suggestion box, you have to correct it spelling. Okay, you can see here in a suggestion box that name is not there in a list. Is it clear? Then if you want same name, then you have to click on here ignore once. Or suppose 2-3 spelling is there and it is showing Purva also red, good also red, then you have to click here in ignore all. Now my one spelling is only there, that's why I am clicking here ignore once. Okay, in this way you have to correct the spelling, means mark will go. When all error have been considered, MS Word will display a dialog box like this and inform to you if you want to ignore full matter in a document. I said no, I won't ignore once. That's why this is the name Maing and Adira. This is the same only. Okay. In this way you have to correct the spelling. And second way, you can directly click on the F7 button. You can see, I will show to you on screen keyboard. Okay, F7 is the function key, that's why it is not showing here. And if I will press the F7 function key, then also it will show the spelling error. Okay, in this way that dialog box will open. Next is adding new word to the MS Word dictionary. How to add new word in dictionary? For that, now my name is there here, two name is there, and it is showing here it is not in dictionary. This name is Mai and Adira are obedient girls. Okay, now this name is not in dictionary. Generally proper noun like your name are not present in the MS Word dictionary. So MS Word will mark your name as a spelling error. You can see here two name is there and it is showing the error in the document. To avoid this problem, you can add the names in your dictionary. Okay, for that you have to click on this Review tab and you will get here spelling and grammar option. Okay, and in the spelling, and first you have to select this name and then click on the spelling and grammar option. Select this name, spelling and grammar option, and you will get that box only, same box, and you have to click on the add to the dictionary. Now add to the dictionary, if you will click on the add to the dictionary, it will add. Okay, and then close it. Now you can see it will not mark as a red line, red wavy line. It will go. Now this name is added in a dictionary. Next is the thesaurus. What is thesaurus? You all are familiar with synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means are the different words having the same meaning, and antonyms are the words with the opposite meaning. Now you can see here. Now what is the Purva is a good girl. Okay, Purva is a good girl. This is one sentence I had written here. Now as a good, now here is a good option is there. In a good place we can write decent, helpful, safe, useful, well-mannered, polite, obedient. Like this option we can write. Purva is a obedient girl. Purva is a decent girl. Purva is a helpful girl. Like this. So it is difficult to remember all the synonyms and antonyms of a word. Okay. Synonyms means same word. Okay. And antonyms means opposite word. Suppose Purva is a bad girl. I want here antonyms. Then Purva is a bad girl will come. Purva is a naughty girl will come. The thesaurus feature give a list of all of the synonyms and antonyms of a selected word. To use this thesaurus feature, you have to click on the review tab and you will get here thesaurus option. Then you have to click on this. You will get on the right side this different synonyms and antonyms. As a good place we can give different word like here is a bad, suitable, helpful, beneficial. Like this word is there. Decent, respectable. Now I will click on the respectable option, and then after clicking on the respectable option you will get here different suitable word, decent, good, upright. Like this option is there. You can see decent. Okay, we will click on the decent and click on insert. Now it will come here Purva is a decent girl. Now again we can change decent, selected decent option, then click on the review tab, click on the thesaurus option. You will get here this box. Now you can see in a decent place we can give here polite, insert it. This will change. If you will click on the insert option, decent will change as a polite in this way. Understood, student? Like this you can change the synonyms and antonyms in your MS Word.